What's up, YouTube? I want to talk about wiring real quick. We all need wiring, especially if you're running additional fans or LEDs. You need some wires. So usually I've been buying Apex wires. There's some knockoff name brands, some knockoff no names of eBay or Amazon. Then I would take them and cut them down and make them to what I need, like a double female. So you run off an external battery. You can plug the LED straight in there or plug the fan straight in there, directly to the battery. Then I decided, you know what, why not make my own wires? Because I already seen the kits. I never know how to do it before. Got on YouTube, found some videos. So now I know how to do it. Just bought a kit with some wiring, separate. 22 gauge is what I bought. They got smaller, they got bigger, whatever. The most I'm gonna run off of mine is a 3, this is a 2S. The highest I'm gonna go is 3S, so that 22 gauge is perfect for that. Make all kind of extensions, whatever you need, longer, shorter. Like I said, I need these female to females. So I made a female to female splitter. I can plug this into the battery. Fans and LEDs there, straight to the battery. They got a little junction 5-way splitter. Didn't want that. I have some, didn't want it. These are more secure connection. Those like slide off. Some 3-way splitters, shorter, longer, whatever you need. That's it, the kit. You need a crimper. Of course, some wire cutters. Heat shrink gun. Let me turn it up. That's about it. So instead of buying wires you don't need, you had to modify them. Just buy the kit, make your own, whatever length you need, whatever style you need. So LEDs, right now I got the fans running off of that one. There's a 3-way I made up on there. So I can run those 2 fans plus the ESC fan. They're coming across on that cable right there. But I made this splitter. I'm gonna make a shorter one. But I made this splitter run off this battery to those fans and to some LEDs once I do the body for this truck. That's about it. Peace.